Hello students, let's continue the lesson, the 7 year. Last class we was discussed Siley's experience in a space shuttle. Now let's go further. The trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive, but still Siley's mother had sent her on the trip. Here exorbitantly means extremely high. It was extremely costly trip. Yes, very expensive trip, but mother had said, in our childhood, we could not even think of such a long distance trip. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said mummy. Her mummy wanted her to go to the space shuttle. Oh mummy, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for school children used to be only up to Delhi or Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Siley, laughing. Remembering the incidents made her laugh even now. She was discussing with her mummy, she was discussing about the trip. The generation has changed. Before you can see, grandmother or the parent, they were just going where? Delhi or Kolkata or Europe. But see, now Siley has an opportunity to go to the other planet. So next para. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting. Orbiting means it's moving around the sun. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution round the moon. How many minutes? 32 minutes. Every 32 minutes, this shuttle was completing one rotation or revolution around the moon. Light and darkness followed each other in a quick succession. The dome-shaped settlement on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. So let's start. Light and darkness. See, when you go round and round, there some part is having day and some part having night. Some way, when you go up to the moon, you will find that the sun's light, it is a light that is day and the darkness that is the night. After going round and round, she could see from the window of the shuttle space that there was a dome shape like a house, igloo in a cold region, that is a polar region. The people lived in that region, they were called Eskimos people. Such a settlements were there on the moon. So now you must have come to know that where the Siley was going on the trip. Yes, she was going to the trip moon for a trip, and now she was nearing towards the moon, and you will find that exciting trip for her. After some time, Siley's shuttle made a slow, measured and safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was open and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. See, after going round and round the moon, round and round to the moon, shuttle came and stopped. It was launched and children were asked to step out of the shuttle ship. But what happened as they came out of the shuttle ship? They were not allowed to roam on the moon. No, they were taken through an airtight tunnel. Right? From there, they went where? To the Neil Armstrong base. Who was this Neil Armstrong? The first man to step on the moon. So the name of that base was dedicated to him. So that base is known as the Neil Armstrong base. So today only up to here we stop and we'll continue the lesson in a next session. Thank you.